In the previous section, we studied the key elements of sketching, and in this section, we'll take those tools with us and begin to form 3D models. We'll start by understanding the fundamental 3D modeling tools, such as extrude, revolve, and sweep modeling, before moving on to 3D modification and construction tools. We'll learn about each tool's location and their respective keyboard shortcuts where applicable. We'll also study how to assign materials and add appearances to parts, and finally, how to create high-quality rendered images of our parts or assemblies. At the end of this section are a series of 3D modeling assignments for you to test your knowledge and capability to 3D model in Fusion. All the tools required to model these parts are taught within the following lectures, so I look forward to seeing how you get on with these assignments. Just like in the sketching section, each lecture in the 3D modeling section is presented step by step, and I will walk you through and demonstrate how we can use these 3D modeling tools to generate complex 3D geometries. I'll be giving a range of examples throughout the lectures, which I would recommend you follow along with me and take the opportunity to practice these tools and familiarize yourself with what they are used for. In the following sections of this course, I will be regularly using the 3D modeling tools covered in this section, and so will you. So, let's start 3D modeling.